Make customized holiday wrapping paper with Cricut. Wrapping paper. Step 1. Go to Images, search holiday themed images and add them to canvas. Step 2. To create different layers, make 5 duplicates of the design selected, all click Align and select Center. Step 3. Select the first layer, click the line type drop-down, select Foil and choose Medium. Step 4. Click on the Color Swatch button and change the color. Step 5. Select the second layer, click the line type drop-down, select Foil and choose Medium. Step 6. Click on the Color Swatch button and change the color. Step 7. Repeat the same steps for the rest of the layers. Step 8. Hide all the layers except one from the Layers panel, select that layer, then contour. Step 9. Click Hide all contours, select the elements you want for this layer and close it. Step 10. Unhide another layer selected, then click Contour. Step 11. Click Hide all contours, then select the elements you want to add to this layer. Step 12. Repeat the same steps for the rest of the layers. Step 13. Once you're happy with the design, select All and click Attach. Step 14. Now go to Shapes and select a square to create a template, then resize it. Step 15. Click on the Color Swatch button and change the color of the template. Step 16. Click on Arrange and select Send to Back, then drag and place the design on top of the template. Step 17. Select both the design, click Align and select Center, then click Attach. Step 18. When the design is ready, click Make it, reposition it on the mat and then click Continue. Step 19. Select your machine, click Browse all materials, search and select Copy Paper and click Done. Step 20. Apply the material on the mat, place the foil on top and tape it down. Step 21. Insert the medium tip foil transfer tool into the machine, load the mat into the machine and start cutting. Step 22. Once it's done foiling, roll the tape away and remove the foil. Step 23. Place the upcoming color foil, tape it down and start foiling. Step 24. Once it's done foiling, remove the foil. Step 25. Repeat the same steps for the rest of the design. Step 26. Once the foiling process is complete, remove the foil transfer tool and insert the bonded fabric blade. Step 27. Press the flashing C button to start cutting. Step 28. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat, flip it over and peel it off the material. Step 29. Wrap the gift. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.